It looks like we got about a foot of snow. I just cleared a path for Ralphie. I don't know how we're going to get to the gate here. Got a big pile right there. Lots of drifts. Oh my. I don't think I can open the gate. I hear somebody out there. No, I thought it was Vinny, but I don't think Vinny's out yet. Somebody's shoveling.